if you are creating a post, then there are multiple types of posts which you have to do. And before doing this, you have to have a calendar of social media. Like you have to create a Excel format, and you have to do like on which date, which kind of post you are doing, at what time, and what kind of content it is. Everything you have to maintain a calendar on a Excel format, so that that can be easily done. See, for example, today you are going to see, think that you're today you got an occasion and you want to create a post. Now it will take some time. If you have it done already, then what will happen? It will save your time. If you're not available also, one of your team member, they can post it automatically, or you can make it as a scheduled post. That post will be automatically posted on the particular day. Okay, that will be see, how to make a scheduled post. That will be seen. Okay, so here, to create a post, we'll have types of post we have. So I'll go to the text format which we have, which we are working from the starting sessions. Scroll it down. Here, Facebook types of post. Okay, Facebook types of post. Now here, the first one will go with informational post. That means what will happen in this informational post, will give some information to the user, and that too with the help of content. Now here, if you are talking about content, then how much content we can use for a post? Can you analyze that part? See here, when we are optimizing the website as per SEO, we used some length for meta description, meta URL, maybe meta title. Now here also we have to optimize the contents. Like there is a limitation of the content here. We have to use 255 characters. 255 characters, not more than that. If you want to optimize well, then in this 255 characters, try to use some hashtags. Okay, that may be any kind of post. Try to use some hashtags which will be helpful. And how many hashtags we have to use in Facebook exactly? So go with 3 to 4 hashtags. 3 to 4 hashtags, and try to use the hashtags which are related to your content. Like for example, see what is hashtag? It will play as a keyword. It will play as a keyword. For example, if I'm writing a content about digital marketing, then my hashtag will be about digital marketing. Okay, and see, and try to use the keyword which you are using in the description. At the same time, try to use your branded content. Okay, try to use one hashtag as your brand. Now that will help you a lot. And make sure that, see, try to use a different hashtag that will specify you. That means in future that hashtag may have lots of searches. Now if you are the owner of that hashtag, what will happen? People will be searching. When people will search for that particular hashtag, then automatically your content will be on the top. Now you'll get maximum visitors to your Facebook. Now when you get maximum visitors, now you'll get more post engagement. Then branch collab manager, automatically you can make monetization. At the same time, your PADA will increase for the page. When PADA will increase, automatically some of the rank like link juice will pass to your website. Now these all are related, these are connected to one and all. Okay, so that's why whenever you are going with content, try to analyze everything. Okay, this is the content part, and this is the first section of the informational post. Okay, this is the first one. And in that, in this information also, if you want to make some image like with content with image, then go with a square format of image. Go with the square format of image, square image. To use square image, that may be 1080 into 1080 pixels. Okay, 1080 pixels, that will be fine. Okay, and if we are going with the second part, like second type, then try to go with a announcement related post. That means like think that you achieved something, like think that you got more followers on your page, then make as an announcement, make as a milestone, like people can analyze it. So you have achieved it, or you, if you have made a big project, then make an announcement so that outside the world businesses can analyze that you are doing so and so project. When that business is getting like good business, when you are giving good business to that particular company, then automatically companies will drag to you. Okay, so that is one kind of announcement. And third type, try to use some promotional post. That means any offer you have, try to make it, try to make it a promotional post, like giving any offer, giving any call to action, so that people can analyze it better and people can feel better to take your services. Go with that kind of post. And see, this you will not do in a single day. One day after day you'll be doing this. Monday informational, second day will be announcement, third day will be promotional, fourth day will be any quote. So it depends. If you have to fix according to your timetable, and that should already have an excel already, I said that maybe with Facebook, Instagram, any kind of social media, try to make a excel, try to make a calendar excel format of that. And that excel format try to make in a drive, so that you can share to your team that particular excel, and whenever you are not available also, they can post that content to the social media accounts. Okay. And try to go with the engagement post, so that people can engage with your content. And that content, see, I'm posting something, people should engage with that. No, not like that. Your content should be good, and it should have like good call to action. It may be good engagement related thing, that may be related to your business, or that may be related to outside your business also. That may also happen. Think that something happened around your country, like India, it may be some other country. Now that is related to a social issue. Then you can go with the post with that. You can make an engagement post with that. Now people will engage with that. Now every time if you are going with your content, then they will not have. You may not have that much engagement with your content. So make sure that you're taking a 360-degree format. Okay. And fifth type, try to like quote a day, quote for the day. That may be like a inspirational post, that may be a the any kind of post which you think like. It may be like, see, some business now depends upon the business to business it will go. Now business think that you're related to a banking sector, then you can make a quotation of the day, like secure your savings, that. Or if like if you're like from think that mm, a stock market related thing, then you can go with a quote, so that will inspire people to save or to invest the money. So you can go with that. Or if you have a different business which are related to a movie related or audio or like music related line, then you can go with shairis or some other. Or you can go with the humor related thing, like comedy related, jokes related, that will burst your page outside. So that will happen. So these are the 5 posts which you have to do, so that people can analyze you, people can interact with you, with your content and with your post regularly. And whenever you're doing, see, that maybe in engagement post there are lots of types of posts out there. You'll be getting some doubts what kind of engagement we can do. You can ask like question and answers, you can ask to the people, like they will be engaging with that. Or you can make a poll, or like you can make an offer, or you can go with the event. Okay, you can go with the event, or you can ask a quiz. So lots of things are there where you can engage people. Okay, so you have to analyze, you have to use every feature of the Facebook, then only now you'll be exposed to the world. Okay, so these are the types which you have to do the post regularly. And see, this week we have did, and next week we'll take a rest. Not like that. This is a continuous process you have to do regularly. That may be for your business, that may be for your company, that may be for your individual thing. Okay, so that, see, think that I'll give an example. Think that one of the film star is there, and he is very popular and is taking regularly movies. Then people will be recognizing him. Think that all of a sudden he's taking a gap of 5 years. Now what will happen? After 5 years, he's coming back. Now he'll not have that much interaction. Why? In between, lots of people has interacted. Lots of people have taken films. Now, in that gap period, some other person may be famous. So what is happening now, he's losing some like it may be followers of him, it may be films, he may be losing something. So that will happen. So The marketing person, that may be physical marketing, that may be digital marketing, you have to do regularly. So this is a section which you have to do when you're going with the post. And see here, in the first post, we discussed about content, and here I have used, like, if you're using a square image, then try to go with like one image with the content part. Now if you want to go like gallery, then try to use 6 image max. Now that will have a good good boost. Like, see, if you are using more images, what will happen? Just a moment, I'm getting a call. Fine. So yeah, during my recordings, see, I'm sorry for that. See, I'm trying to like skip the calls, but it's not happening. And people are calling regularly if I'm not lifting the call. So this is what will get a disturbance. So that's why whenever you have a doubt, try to keep a message in WhatsApp. That will be better. So sometimes I'll be busy with something. I may not lift the call, so you'll have a negative word for me. So let's do with email. Like, I'll give a support on email or WhatsApp. That will be better. And okay, fine. So these are the 5 things. And if you're like what we're discussing, yes, like images, yes. So if you are going with multiple images like a gallery, try to use 6 images. That will be better.